Action. Okay guys, let's start that again. Okay guys, this is Raymond. You might know me from such films as... No, you don't know me from any films. I'm a guest star at DDE, but that's not all I am. Okay, let's try that again. So guys, today's a big day for me. I am going to pick up with the crew at DDE, Damon and Dave. Maybe Gabe. Gabe might be there. We don't know. He's an enigma. But we are going to go pick up my vehicle, which I have now been waiting for a year and a half. Now, I don't blame anybody for the delay because I really picked a weird spec. And this spec, it might blow you away, it might not. I am an older gentleman. Might be an old man spec for you guys, but to me, it's the culmination of everything I've ever worked for. It's the most expensive car I've ever purchased, and it's arriving in a box today in Vancouver, BC. Now, some of you may already know, it's not a surprise what it is. I've leaked it on my Instagram quite a bit. It's a 2020 Bugatti Chiron Sport. Now, a regular Chiron Sport started what, 3.2 million USD before freight, PDI, all that kind of stuff that they add. In Canada, the hypercars and mega cars, we still get charged in USD. That seems to be like the world currency for these kind of things. So my Chiron Sport started at $3.2 million, and yeah, that's a crazy amount, but if you think about it, you could buy a Chiron Pure Sport for 3.9, so still a fairly good deal. But when I ordered my car a year and a half ago, there was no such thing as a Chiron Pure Sport with the aerodynamics package, so I opted for the track focus package, which was the Sport. Now, I don't know if you guys know this, but the Sport has only 60 of them built. Like, Bugatti takes, even in the Veyron, they took certain segments of cars. Like, for example, the Sang Noir, there was only 12 of them. The limited series, there was like the Rembrandt, there was the Hermes, sorry, not the Hermes edition, so many editions, but for example, Manny has one, and so on and so forth. Now, in this case, the Chiron that I'm getting is one of 60 because it's a Sport, but it's even more rare because I was one of the first guys to order the Skyview option. So if you guys don't know, the Skyview has two little strips on the roof, which is glass, which is really, really cool. Now, I was excited about that, but as I started optioning out the car, the vehicle started getting more and more expensive. Oh my God. And we're back. So after I put the Skyview option on, as you could imagine, the car started getting more and more expensive because you want this, you want that option, whatever. So what we went with, as you'll see today when we unbox this thing, is that I chose a blue. Now, the reason I went with blue is, well, when you think Bugatti, when you think of the Bugatti Baby, when you think of any of the special Bugattis in the time, they were all some sort of French blue, a French racing blue. So I wanted to stick with a blue. Now, usually I buy white. All my cars are white. That's what I usually like buying. But for this car, this was, like I said, the biggest car, the most expensive car I've ever purchased in my 25 to 30 years of working on cars, building cars, and having cars for myself. So this one had to be the right colors. So it's blue. Now, what kind of blue, you're gonna have to wait and see. What color the interior is, you're gonna wait and see. But remember, like I said, I'm an older guy, so it might not be to everyone's taste, but when you see how we did it, I think you're gonna fall in love with it as much as I'm hoping to fall in love with it. So until then, let's stay tuned and we'll see you at the car. There I go. Oh, this is good. Here it is.
This is so sick.
Hold on.
I gotta get a picture of Ray.
I gotta pay for this somehow.
Yes.
There we go. Dave, what is the...
Yeah, guys, we got Dave and Damon there waiting for the Chiron to come out.
Lay this one down first, Jeff?
This is really cool. We're at Kratex. Kratex is unboxing the Chiron.
I'll lay this one down.
Damon, easy monthly payments.
What's that?
Easy monthly payments.
Easy monthly payments of
Ready?
Yeah, go ahead, guys.
Okay, Jeff. What's going on?
Hang on.
We got one more holding this up.
Oh, that was not cool. That was not cool. You got us all ready, and that last bolt.
Like, yeah, she put her like, you guys ready for this? Psych!
Yeah, it's,
Look at Raymond sweating over there.
I'm not sweating, bro. I'm vlogging. I'm vlogging, bro. I'm not.
Over there.
Hey, YouTuber, right here. Go subscribe. SR Auto Group on the YouTube.
Here we go, kids. And there she is.
Oh, you even got the wheels to match.
Yes, sir. The crate helpfully tells us that it's the front of the car. Just in case Dave didn't know.
Doesn't matter. Temporary.
How many valves is this?
Ask Stuart.
How many
He's the
valves?
smart one.
Even Dan, he bought some. He said the ones you got from here are better than...
Dave and Damon are about to purchase this car from me. Easy monthly payments.
Right. Forward exposed carbon fiber. 1,500 horsepower hypercar. Right power.
Sorry, bud. Let me get that out of your way.
If you do a donut right now in your brand new car, that would pretty much go down in the history of
Come on, Ray.
I gotta show you guys the headlights. Look at the headlights.
It's here. There's the car. There's Stu. There's Damon doing his thing. There's everybody that helped us. It's gonna be cool. We'll see you at Bugatti Vancouver to pick her up.